The Gilson HM-580 Mechanical Soil Compactor combines the accuracy, ease of use, and industry-leading safety features in the compaction of soils. The only reason to remove the hammer assembly from the unit is during everyday use when you need to install or remove the surcharge mass from the hammer assembly. If only switching the round and sector faces, it is not necessary to remove the entire hammer assembly. To swap out the face of the hammer assembly, you first manually lower the hammer assembly onto the surface of the turntable. Remove the screws attaching the face to the hammer assembly, then remove the hammer face and install the desired face. And finally secure with screws. But now let's demonstrate how to remove the hammer assembly from the Gilson Mechanical Soil Compactor. Within the cabinet are 3 vertical guide bars that ensure the hammer hits fall freely. The 2 rear guide bars remain in place. But the front guide bar and the support blocks must be removed when switching between the round face hammer and the sector face hammer. Always engage the yellow hammer safety arm. This helps prevent the hammer from falling unintentionally, as well as keeps the hammer out of the technician's way during the adding or scarifying the sample. To engage the arm, manually lift up the hammer and swing the safety arm into the safe position. Then lower the hammer assembly onto the safety arm. Next, remove the bolts holding the support blocks in place. Then remove the support blocks and set aside. Now, lift the front guide bar up and over into the designated holding slot at the top of the guide bar cage. Now, lift out the hammer assembly from the unit. Next, insert the desired hammer assembly into the unit and gently lower it into its temporary resting place on either the turntable or the safety hammer arm when it's in the safe position. For this demonstration, we are resting it on the hammer safety arm. Please note, be sure to insert the hammer in the correct orientation. Once the hammer is in its place, return the front guide bar to its position and replace the guide bar blocks. The front guide bar and guide bar blocks must be reinstalled after changing the hammer, so that it drops consistently in the same place for uniform compaction to be achieved. With the hammer placed securely on the safety arm, you are now ready to secure the mold into position and add the first layer of soil in the mold. Next, lift the hammer off the safety arm, turning the safety arm to the test position, and now gently place the hammer onto the top of the first lift. You are now ready to proceed with the compaction of soil. For any questions about installing the hammer assembly on your Gilson HM-580 Mechanical Soil Compactor or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson Technical Support Team.